Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to delete links from your Instagram bio or how to just remove those links. And to do that you have just to go to Instagram. After that click on your picture on the bottom right of the screen. Go, and as you can see I have links on my bio. I have to click on edit profile. And after that, I have to go and click on links. And as you can see, there is the link that I have, YouTube link. To delete it, I have just to click on it. And after that, click on remove link from it. And like that. And if you click remove again, the link will be deleted from your bio. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.